Alright, we're getting set up for some flights on a 3-cell. So we're using these Nanotech. They're cheap ass batteries, but we'll try them out. This is only the second time I've flown on them, so we'll try them out. So here we go. We're going to get set up here. Plug this in. That might help. Plugging in the... I used to use a ground station and to have hooked these up, and I had a big long cable coming off of this. Now, the DVR did not start up. That happens sometimes. This DVR is flaky. And there, it started up. See what I'm saying? So we're on A1. We're recording. We have a picture. Transmitter is on. Ready to fly. Where are we pointed? Somewhere over there. Okay. Ready to fly. Whoa, that was wild. Decided I was going to try to come out here. Whoa! Let's try to go between those trees. Slow down. Fly over that. That'll kind of give me some practice of flying to a certain point and flying back. Go over the red case. Okay, I'm not very good at that.
3 minutes.
Yeah, I am not a good pilot, folks, but that's what this is all about. Learning how to be a good pilot. Spent a lot of time watching videos, building quads, flying quads line of sight. I built some airplanes. Couldn't really fly those, and I'm going to be flying those too. We'll have some videos about my flight test airplanes. But for now, we're flying the Leader 120.
2 minutes.
Gained a little too much altitude there. There, I did a flip in between the trees. Whoa, oh, save myself. Whoa, oh my God, I can't believe I got out of that. I can't believe I got out of that. Holy shit. Now that is just some bad piloting, some luck, and a little bit of skill, but not much. Not much skill in that department. I wonder if the SJ4000 is still running. It doesn't give me any warning when it stops, I don't think.
1 minute.
I can't stress enough the importance of flying the direction, pointing the direction you're flying. Three cells. Okay, 3 cells. That's 10.5 volts. We want to fly till we are down to about 10.5 volts. We don't want to ruin my batteries. That's another thing. Have a lot of batteries, which I don't have a lot of. I only have, until I get the XT30 switchover done on this quad, I'm not going to have, I have some XT30 3 cells. I have an adapter too. I could plug it in or plug them in, but they're not charged. Let's go between the tree and the grass here. Fly around the tree. Let's go between those two trees. Fly around the tree. Let's go really fast through here. See if we can go really fast. Not really fast, but faster. Whoa, that was a little too close to the ground there. It's fun. This is fun, you guys. The beginners, this is obviously for beginners, this video. You want to be having fun. And it is fun. You can just go up in the air and do some flips, whoosh, and let's go between these trees. See, that is some bad piloting right there. But just gotta keep flying, keep running through packs. We're still above 10.5 volts because I'm not really pushing it that hard. Not pushing it that hard at all. Just like half throttle most of the time. And somebody walking their dog.
Engage.
Alright. We finished one pack. Wow, you're still running and the GoPro died. So, yeah, I'm going to have to get some more batteries if I'm going to do this for real. But we went through our first pack of 3 cell in our practice. So, let's disconnect the quad. That's what happens when it loses signal from the transmitter. We stopped our DVR recording, and we're going to stop this recording, and I'm going to get out the Mobius and the run cam. Okay, over and out. Over and out again.